This is a video introducing the key features of UEISODC Bedroom LED Humidifier. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of UEISODC Bedroom LED Humidifier. UEISODC Humidifier, a portable fine mist humidifier with an LED nightlight and 360 degrees rotation. Equipped with an automatic shut-off safety function, it turns off automatically when the water level is low. UEISODC Ultrasonic Aromatherapy Diffuser, with a 280 ml water tank, it can work continuously for 8 hours. You can fill it with tap water, making it more eco-friendly and healthy. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil or perfume, and it transforms into your preferred aromatherapy device, turning your living space into a spa. Enjoy the soothing fragrance combined with perfect humidity for ultimate tranquility. It is also easy to clean, simply remove the water tank and rinse it with tap water. UEISODC Spa Aromatherapy Diffuser, improve the air for a healthy and moist life. Working scenarios, it can function in homes, bedrooms, offices, parties, moving cars, during travels, and more. It increases the humidity in your surrounding environment, moisturizes the skin, and serves as a humidifier for year-round use, ensuring fresh air throughout all seasons. It is an excellent choice for gifting to family and friends, as everyone loves eco-friendly and health-beneficial air. Aroma Diffuser Humidifier with adjustable spray. Filling with tap water is more environmentally friendly and healthier. Features the safety performance of Auto-Shutoff. Soft LED nightlight and 360 degrees rotating spray nozzle. USB portable, suitable for use in cars, offices, in front of computers, bedrooms, indoors and any other places. Humidifier with silent design, enjoy a quiet sleep. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.